And this problem is telling us to find the values of the 6 trig functions for an angle theta in standard position with terminal side through -3, 0. Let's review what standard position is. Standard position, standard S. It's kind of like the starting position. Put your finger where you would normally start to put your ray. You should have your finger here. Then it's telling us that the terminal side, meaning this is my little ray, and it's saying that the terminal side goes through -3, 0. So -3, 0 is over here. So if I move positive angles towards this to -3, 0, it's basically going all the way over here and stopping right here. Okay, so if it's stopping right here, before we would actually draw a triangle, right? If it was stopped right here, I could draw a triangle, bow tie. If it stopped over here, I can find the reference and then draw a line down, and then I got my right triangle right here. Does that make sense? But now it's stopping directly on a quadrant. So they call these, where it stops on a line, called quadrantal angles. Everyone say that? So the quadrantal angles are kind of weird because there's no triangles, but you do have an order pair. It tells you it's -3, 0. Class, what letters does -3 represent? The y value represents 0, and I need an r value. Class, how would I find an r value? We can use the Pythagorean theorem. Brian, what is the Pythagorean theorem? Our Pythagorean theorem we learned before with x, y's, and r's is r squared equals x squared plus y squared. So if I just substitute in those values, r squared equals -3 squared plus 0 squared. Does that mean -3 times 2? R squared equals what? 9 plus 0 squared is just 0. So r squared equals 9. If I take the square root of both sides, okay, pay attention now. The answer is plus or minus 3. This r value, the radius of my circle, is 3 or -3. Which one is it? Now you might be thinking it's going left. Well, the x values can be negative. But remember, r represents what? Radius of a circle, and that's a distance. Therefore, it'll always be positive. The answer is positive 3. Now, in this problem, if you just really think about it, to this order pair, that's your radius. So it's kind of like, well, what's the distance to the origin? 1, 2, 3. So you didn't need to use the Pythagorean theorem. You could just realize the answer is 3. And then you just have to find your 6 trig functions. Sasso, trig function. Anyone you want. Letters. Numbers. Which equals? 0. Caesar. Letters. Numbers. Answer. Good. Vanessa. Letters. Answer. You guessing? Your final answer? Correct. Don't guess. My kid comes to you as a doctor. You want you to guess the ailments? No. Confidence. Confidence. Theo. No, what? These are the easy ones. Secant? Letters? Yes. Numbers? Which equals? -1. Good job. Valerie? Pick one. Cotangent. Letters? Numbers? Answer? No shame, guys. No shame. Error. Dividing by 0. Basically says undefined. Don't you guys remember? No, you can't divide by 0 to be 0. You guys remember that slide? It's okay, guys. Look, we just had a teacher's meeting. Use a calculator. We let you use it. Unless you want to go back to the old mistering. No formula sheets. No unit circles. No calculators. Eileen C. Letters. Numbers. Answer. Undefined. So, what we learned in this problem, they're called the quadrantal angles. The reason why is because they end up on one of these lines. There is no triangle, but you can still find the R value, and then you can find your 6 trig functions.